Welcome to another episode of Aleo's Lighting at a Glance. I'm Paul Huang, the VP of Sales and your host today. Today we'll be taking a closer look at Aleo's RKLS series. Nicknamed the T-LED Killer, the RKLS is a magnetic module retrofit kit and is the ultimate retrofit kit for energy savings for a wide variety of commercial applications. It is extremely versatile and flexible with the ability to fit inside various existing linear luminaires. Common applications are retrofit of commercial, retail, education, hospitality, or corporate facilities. It is an ideal upgrade for prismatic troughers, parabolic troughers, strips or channels, wraparounds, and even vapor tights. The magnetic design allows for easy and convenient alignment and installation and comes complete with self-tapping tech screws. A removable lens provides balanced and comfortable light output and allows for increased light output and efficacy for fixtures with existing lenses. The 120 to 277 volt external 2-channel driver features a standard ballast mounting pattern and features 0 to 10 volt dimming capability. The RKLS is offered in both a 22-inch and 44-inch form factor, and each of the two sizes are available in a factory set wattage and lumen package, ranging from 24 watts to 42 watts and providing from 3400 plus lumens to over 5600 lumens. Each kit comes complete with one LED driver, 2 magnetic modules, 2 lenses, tech screws, quick disconnect, and retrofit label. As always, for more information about the RKLS along with all of Aleo's other product solutions, check out our website at www.aleolighting.com. where you'll find spec sheets, IES files, and much more.